First of all, we need to understand the limitations of cameras. Many times that's where people rush to when they want to increase preparedness. What we tell clients frequently is cameras by themselves do not make you safer. They are simply a tool for information gathering. It's up to us to gather the information and then assess that information. The next thing we talk about is let's identify our goals and objectives for how we're going to use these cameras, where we're going to place them, what are they going to be used for. For instance, are we going to monitor these cameras in real time to provide an opportunity for prevention, or are they simply going to be used as maybe a deterrent in some cases, or for post-incident investigation to investigate lower level incidents? Maybe it's an accusation of sexual harassment, maybe it's an accusation of a theft of a laptop from a workplace for post-incident. If you're thinking about getting cameras in your facility, have somebody come in and do an assessment for you. The reason for that is you don't want the vendor that is the camera vendor coming in and doing an assessment telling you where you want cameras, because guess what they're going to say in most cases? You want them everywhere. So to be strategic about where we're going to put cameras based on our goals and objectives is really going to help us. Cameras can be a deterrent. If it's a low-level crime where they don't want to be identified, they don't want to get caught, they can be a deterrent. Cameras in department stores or convenience stores have been known to prevent robbery or even theft. But if it's a person that's intent on committing mass violence, they don't care. In fact, they want that infamy. They want to be identified, and the reasons they want to be identified and they want that infamy is because they want people to identify and why they were justified in committing this act. On our building, we have not only a camera, but we recommend also an intercom. So that way we can screen people. We have our first layer of awareness, our first layer of protection. So now before we let them into our facilities, we can identify who they are and who they're there to see. And hopefully, even if we know what to look for body language wise, can identify what their intent is and if they're up to no good or not.